Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic soap dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Secura 17-ounce automatic liquid soap dispenser. This product combines functionality with a sleek chrome and black design that can either be wall-mounted or placed on countertops. The 17-ounce container is transparent, making it easy to monitor soap levels. It also features an adjustable volume control, allowing you to dispense anywhere from 0.03 to 0.19 ounces of soap per activation. The infrared sensor works up to 2.75 inches away, ensuring a responsive touchless experience. In terms of design, the Secura dispenser is lightweight and constructed with durable, cadmium-free plastic. It's powered by 4 AA batteries, which are not included. And while it's water-resistant, it's not fully waterproof, so you'll want to avoid exposing it to excessive moisture. However, it's worth noting that the dispenser does not handle thick or lotion-based soaps well, which limits its compatibility. With a 4.2-star rating backed by over 38,000 reviews, the Secura is a reliable option for those seeking a stylish and functional dispenser for home use. However, the lack of waterproofing and its restrictions on soap types make it better suited for light household applications. At its price point, it's a decent choice if you're looking for something simple and effective, but it doesn't quite reach the advanced features of its competitors. At number 4, we have the PZ-O-Truth automatic soap dispenser. This dispenser stands out with its upgraded infrared sensor, which can detect ants within 2.36 inches, ensuring quick and hygienic soap dispensing. It features a generous 17-ounce capacity and a transparent soap container, so you'll always know when it's time for a refill. The adjustable soap output offers 5 levels, making it highly customizable for your needs. Whether you're washing hands, dishes, or utensils, the PZ-O-Truth dispenser boasts a brushed aluminum finish, which gives it a modern and polished look. It's IPX4 water-resistant, meaning it can handle minor splashes, but isn't fully waterproof. The non-slip base and leak-proof design enhance its durability, but at 2.09 pounds, it's on the heavier side. Unfortunately, it also requires 4 AA batteries, which aren't included, and it's not rechargeable. While the PZ-O-Truth dispenser excels in capacity and adjustability, the lack of a rechargeable option and limited waterproofing hold it back slightly. It's a strong contender for kitchens and bathrooms due to its sleek design and versatility. With a 4.2-star rating and a #1 ranking in commercial soap and lotion dispensers on Amazon. This is a solid, mid-tier option for those who want style and function without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3, we have the On automatic soap dispenser. With a standout feature of 15 adjustable volume levels, this dispenser offers more customization than most competitors, making it perfect for households with varying needs. Its ability to handle both thick and thin soaps without dilution is a major plus, especially for those using premium or concentrated soap products. The design is modern and compact, with a bright black finish that complements contemporary decor. It's lightweight at just 11.3 ounces and features a wide soap compartment opening for easy refilling. The dispenser is powered by 3 AA batteries, which offer an impressive lifespan of up to a year, making it one of the most energy-efficient models we reviewed. The On dispenser is ideal for families, especially those with toddlers, as its enhanced design prevents clogging and random dripping. With a 4.5-star rating and a reputation for reliability, it's an excellent choice for those who value both aesthetics and performance. However, its smaller 2.5 milliliter soap capacity may require more frequent refills for larger households, which is something to keep in mind. At number 2, we have the Miko automatic soap dispenser. This product is a perfect blend of style and functionality, with a stainless steel champagne finish that's both durable and visually appealing. It has 3 adjustable dispensing levels, which can be easily set using the plus-minus buttons, ensuring you get the right amount of soap every time. The Miko dispenser is built to last, with a combination of ABS and metal materials that improve its durability and resistance to water and impact. It features a smart sensor that works reliably with both hands and objects, such as sponges or towels, though it doesn't detect transparent items. With an 8.8-ounce capacity, it's slightly smaller than some competitors, but its ease of use and premium build quality make up for that. This dispenser is perfect for kitchens and bathrooms where style and ease of use are priorities. With a 4.5-star rating and high durability, it's a fantastic choice for those willing to invest in a product that balances aesthetics and usability. The only drawback is its smaller capacity, which might require more frequent refills for busy households. Finally, at number 1, we have the Siwa Automatic Soap Dispenser Touchless. This is the most advanced dispenser on our list, offering both automatic and manual modes for maximum versatility. The automatic mode is perfect for hands-free use, while the manual mode allows you to clean surfaces and utensils. It features 3 adjustable levels of soap volume and a 340 milliliter capacity, making it suitable for both small and large households. What sets the Siwa apart is its IPX7 waterproof rating, which allows it to be fully submerged in water without affecting performance. This makes it ideal for wet environments like bathrooms and kitchens. It's also equipped with a rechargeable 1500 mAh lithium battery, which offers up to 180 days of use on a single charge, a huge advantage over battery-operated models. The integrated design and concealed soap box give it a sleek, modern look that fits seamlessly into any decor. With a 4.9-star rating and rave reviews for its durability and performance, the Siwa is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a premium, feature-packed soap dispenser. While it's on the pricier side, its advanced features, rechargeable battery, and waterproof design make it worth every penny for those who want the best of the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.